फ्री सिम कार्ड सोये खातीर आनी उफाट येवजण्यां खातीर देशभरांतल्या जनतेक आकर्शीत करपी रिलायन्स जियोन आतां मोबायलाची सोय केल्या। एका दिसाच्या बुकिंगांत देशांत सुमार 6 मिलियन जियो फोन बूक जाल्यात। ह्या फोनाची डिलिव्हरी सोमारा सावन ग्रामीण वाठारांत सावन पयलीं सुरू जातली। शेनवारा गोंयांत पयलो जियो फोन RDX गोवा चॅनलाचे CEO राजन केरकर हांच्यांनी अनबॉक्स केलो। रिलायन्स जियो ह्या फोनांत सुमार 500 चॅनल पळोवपाक मेळटात। त्या भायर फिल्म पळोवपाची सोय आसा। उफाट अशा सुविधांनी हो फोन फक्त 1500 रुपयांत उपलब्ध आसा। RDX गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
New Jio phone is a pretty good handset, quite a good handling of the phone. You can see at the back, look at the hardware. Okay, now looking at the hardware, this is a torch which is there, and then you have a headphone slot, and then you have a charger, which is a typical charging cable that we use. And then this phone comes with some preloaded Jio application. So these are buttons, you can see dedicated buttons. A rupee symbol is there, 1 2 3 4. So these buttons can do double function. So one is when you long press, it will open up Jio Money. When you long press here, it will open Jio application. So let me just give you a demo here. So I'm long pressing this, you can see a bouquet of application which is there for Jio. You have My Jio, Jio TV, Jio Cinema, Jio Music, Jio Express Music. So for example, you can go to My Jio. So it will open up your My Jio account, which will tell you what amount of data is there on your account. So that is how you can look at your My Jio account. Now next is here, this is the calling button, this is the end button. So when you press the calling button, you can simply press this, select your call log, whoever you want to call, so you can make a call. And you can see the tabs on the tops like all missed, so you can navigate through these hardware buttons. So you can press forward, backward to navigate through these options. When you press again the disconnect button, it will come back to the home screen. Now let's talk about this dedicated button which is there. So there's a torch which is given. In order to operate the torch, this is a torch. You long press on this, and you will see that you long press on this, the top button, and you will see the torch is open now. All right. Now long press again to disable this. Okay. Done. So there's a beautiful control center which is there. So if you press this top button, you will see the control center panel, which will help you adjusting your volume, brightness, switching on the torch, camera, calculator, airplane mode, Wi-Fi. Yes, this device has got a Wi-Fi feature wherein you can turn on and connect to your Wi-Fi, and this is the data on and off button. This is a setting toggle.